Hi everyone, so I'll just show you our gazebo tent because we always get plenty of questions about the gazebo tent. And we've been using the King's gazebo and the King's tent for about 4 years, or maybe it's over 4 years maybe now, and while there's some wear on it, it's still doing the job. So the guide ropes is something I get questioned so much. So we use the carabiners up there, hope you can see that. We put 2 guide ropes on, regardless what the wind is. Always 2 guide ropes. We use the heavy duty ones like this, and they have the springs on the bottom, which we find are the best. That's what we've always used. They've never come off. Even in sometimes when the ground's been a bit soft, they haven't come out now. I've been using the pegs again for a little while now because the ground's been a bit soft of late. But I do have screw-in pegs too, and also have my drill with me. So we do that on every corner. And today the wind's picked up a little bit more, so we've put an extra one here. Just goes there and just there. Now, also depending on what the weather is, once we put the tent up, sometimes if it's a bit in the cooler months, we'll put these outside walls on, and they just clip on up the top, Velcro, and that will keep some of the wind, the cold off. If it's in the cooler months or if it's in the summer, it helps it a little bit, keep some of the heat off. And we put them around all 3 sides. And what we've done of late is also we've put that's just a King's wall we're using at the front, just to put on the front. Just keep maybe some of the cold off the front, or some of the heat off, or just that extra little bit of privacy. And that works perfect. So that's it. Got the power because we've been using the heater at night while we're here, plus charging things up. So hopefully that all makes sense. And then when we pack up, we just take each wall off, roll them up, put them in the tub in the trailer, fold the tent off, fold it up, that goes under the tarp. Pull the gazebo down, we leave the cover on, which we have done for quite a few years now, and I just fold that up, put a strap around it, and that goes in the trailer. Stretcher beds go in the trailer, sleeping bags and a few other things go under the tarp too, and nothing's ever got wet underneath there. The tarp goes all the way around underneath and then folds up on the inside, so even on a heavy storm, we've never had any water go in there, and no dust. So that's pretty much it. We've got a few mats out the front. We've got that grey one which I picked up, oh god, from Coles. No, I think that was Coles I got that one from, wasn't it? I picked it up cheap at Coles.
Oh, did you?
And the 2 muck mats. So that helps. So I think that's pretty much it with the gazebo. If anyone's got any questions, ask me. It does what we want it to do. It's not perfect for everyone, but it's a reasonably pretty cheap setup too. If you get the products when they're on special, like the gazebo, I think we picked up for $99. The tent, we picked that up when they not when they first came out, but that was like maybe $99 too. The walls, they were like $20 at the time. They might have even been cheaper than that. So you can do it on the cheaper side and still have a quality setup. And we've had this only, I think, once or maybe twice in 50, 60 kilometre winds. And while it can be a little bit noisy with some of the flapping, it's never looked like it's going to blow off anywhere. So hopefully that helps. Bye.